Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Aaliyah. So this happened. What do you guys think? You guys think this color looks good on me? It's like a deep red. So I bleached my hair for the first time ever and it was such a disaster. My hair was just so hard to manage, like just brushing it afterwards. Like I thought before my hair was knotty, but this, like with the bleach, was crazy. I couldn't even get the brush through it. Bleaching is not good at all. I did it because I bought a frosting cap because I wanted to do highlights, just little highlights. And for the frosting cap, you have to poke holes in it and then you pull the hair through. So I was poking the holes, my hair's through, blah, blah, blah. I'm applying the bleach and the bleach starts to leak into the hole. So all of this was bleached, like my hair was literally like bleached. So I just said whatever, and then I bleached the rest of my hair. The bleach came out crazy. Like my hair was like platinum blonde up here, like white here, golden blondes like right like from here. So it was ridiculous. My hair was like that for like 3 days, and then today I decided to put this color in it because obviously I'm not gonna walk around with my hair 30 different shades of blonde. So in today's video, I just wanted to share with you guys some of the things that I did to restore my hair. I noticed once my hair was bleached, like my curl pattern like was fried, like my hair was flat. But surprisingly, my hair reacted well to the bleach. Like I hear sometimes people like their hair falls out and stuff like that. Like my hair was definitely different, but like it wasn't that bad. So if you're interested in finding out some of the treatments I used, you can actually use these if your hair is just like damaged or brittle or for whatever reason. It doesn't have to be necessarily like bleach, but these products definitely work. So if you're interested in finding out what those are, just keep watching because I'm gonna get right into it. And this is, I don't know if it's called ORS, if that's how you pronounce it, or if it's ORS. It's Original Root Stimulator Hair Restore Hair Mayonnaise. This stuff is so good. It has nettle leaf and horsetail extract. It is a conditioning treatment for damaged and weak hair infused with nettle leaf and horsetail to nourish, while olive oil, egg protein, and wheat germ oil help restore damaged and depleted hair. And this stuff doesn't smell bad. Like, look, I used so much of it. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell. I used so much of it. Like, you can literally see my handprints. Like, it goes up to here. I scooped it. I needed this so bad. This stuff really works. And it says, apply small amounts of wet hair, comb through for even distribution, cover hair with plastic cap, and let process under a warm dryer for 15 minutes, rinse and towel dry. So I left this in for an hour. So be sure to check that out. This stuff is amazing. I also used Natural Majestic Oil with 100% Moroccan argan oil. This is a hydrating repair mask. And as you can tell, I used a ton of that. Like you can just see. So it says, indulge in rich Moroccan argan oil plus keratin protein. It deeply hydrates and helps repair extremely dry, damaged hair, helps transform hair's condition to make it stronger, smoother, and softer, color safe. Apply to clean, damp hair, massage in thoroughly, leave in 3 to 5 minutes, rinse and style, use 1 to 2 times weekly. So I use this about 3 times. Like all of these products, I really needed them. My hair was like, so I put this in my hair, and then I put a shower cap. The same thing with the other one as well. I put both of these in my hair separate. I didn't put them together. I just did separate treatments. But then I used a shower cap after to like activate it. Since my hair is low porosity, well, now it's high porosity. Once you bleach your hair, you transform your hair to high porosity. That's why it's so brittle and dry. I also used Beautiful Textures Rapid Repair Deep Conditioner made with shea argan. This stuff is amazing. I got this on clearance actually, and I didn't really see a lot of YouTube videos about it. I've seen some, but this is definitely slept on. You can use this as a deep conditioner and as a leave-in conditioner, so that's so like, I don't know, that's how I use it anyway. Usually when I do a deep conditioner, I leave it in my hair as like a leave-in, but this one is meant for that. So this one's super good. I use a ton of that one as well. Like, it smells so good too. Ugh. But this is sulfate free and paraben free. It says, shea butter and argan oil is nature's ultimate power couple for natural hair. Experience ultimate moisturization, manageability, and styling versatility for your curls, coils, and waves with this moisture-intense formula. So this is amazing. I use this for the past like 3 days since I bleached my hair, and I use these as a leave-in. Aussie's 3-minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. This one actually did help with giving my hair that moisture again. I know it's a 3-minute mask, but I use it for like 20 minutes. It says, experience the moisturizing magic that made us famous. We've infused avocado and Australian jojoba oil into our nourishing 3-minute miracle formula. You'll get 3 times moisture in just 3 minutes versus an ordinary conditioner. So those are all the products I use, and my curls are, you can tell that they're like, please help. But I'm gonna keep deep conditioning my hair and keep showing my hair that love so that they do snap back. This is a side note. I wanted to add this part into the video because I've used this product, Cantu. I used to love Cantu's products. This was my favorite, as you can tell. Well, you probably can't tell because it's white. So this is the bottle, and the conditioner is right here. That's how much I've used. This is Cantu's Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. This was my favorite leave-in conditioner ever before I started like dipping and dabbling into different products. But unfortunately, I've decided to never use Cantu ever again. Before I knew how to like manage my hair with different like butters and creams and oils and serums, I would just literally slap this leave-in conditioner in my hair, scrunch, whatever. And I would always wonder, like, why is my hair so frizzy? Why is my hair so fried? Why does my hair look like this? Come to find out, Cantu, their products contain alcohol in them. So that's why it's so important to read the ingredients. Like, I know half of these words, like 99% of these words you can't read. Like butter, serum, Potter, salalala. It sounds like a Harry Potter spell. Like, I don't know what that is. If you see alcohol in the product, like, you have to just run away. Like, alcohol is drying, so my hair would always be super frizzy. And then I switched up my like hair care products, and then my curls are on fleek. So I weeded out the bad products, and Cantu, unfortunately, is no longer one of the products I will ever put in my hair. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys will actually decide to try some of these deep conditioning products and the hair masks, because they are amazing. Like I said, I just bleached my hair. Like, my hair it's snapping back. Like, my hair doesn't feel as hard as it did before. Like, before it was so crunchy. Like, my curls are starting to come back. Like, I can put my hand through my hair. Like, it's just amazing. So trust me on this. Try these products out for your dry, weak, or brittle hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoy my hair, and I will see you guys next time. All right, bye.